Breaking news: the 2026 housing market is on the brink of a catastrophic decline. Experts are warning of a devastating impact on the economy, with some predicting a decline of up to 20% in home values. This shocking revelation has left many wondering if now is the right time to buy. The housing market has been a critical component of the U.S. economy, with over 70% of Americans owning their own homes. As the market continues to fluctuate, one thing is certain: the coming months will be crucial for investors and homebuyers alike. Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with the latest news and expert analysis on the housing market and beyond. Be sure to subscribe for exclusive updates and insights into the world of finance and real estate. Our team of experts will guide you through the complex and ever-changing landscape of the economy, helping you make informed decisions about your investments and financial future. With years of experience in the field, we are dedicated to providing you with the best possible information to help you succeed. By subscribing, you'll get access to our exclusive content, including in-depth analysis and interviews with industry leaders. To understand the current state of the housing market, it's essential to look at the historical context. Over the past decade, the market has experienced a significant surge in home values, with some areas seeing increases of up to 50%. However, this growth has been fueled by low interest rates and a lack of housing supply, rather than any fundamental changes in the economy. As interest rates continue to rise, the market is facing a critical challenge. The average homeowner has seen their mortgage payments increase by over $500 per month, making it more difficult for them to afford their homes. This has led to a decrease in demand, which in turn has caused home values to decline. Now here's where it gets interesting: despite the warnings of a market decline, some experts believe that now may still be a good time to buy. With home values expected to decline, buyers may be able to find deals on properties that would have been out of their price range just a few months ago. Additionally, with the rise of remote work, many people are looking to relocate to areas with lower costs of living, which could drive up demand in certain markets. However, it's crucial to approach the market with caution and do your research before making any decisions. The best way to navigate this challenging time is to work with a reputable real estate agent and to carefully consider your financial situation before making an offer on a home. But that's not all. The impact of the housing market decline will be felt far beyond the world of real estate. With the economy facing a potential downturn, many industries will be affected, from finance and banking to construction and technology. The housing market is a critical component of the U.S. economy, with over $15 trillion in home values at stake. As the market continues to fluctuate, it's essential to stay informed and up to date on the latest developments. The best way to do this is to follow reputable news sources and to consult with financial experts who can provide you with personalized advice and guidance. Now, what I'm about to tell you next is something most people completely miss: the role of technology in the housing market. With the rise of online real estate platforms and virtual tours, the way we buy and sell homes is changing rapidly. This shift has the potential to disrupt the entire industry, making it easier and more efficient for buyers and sellers to connect. However, it also raises important questions about the future of the real estate industry and the impact on local communities. As the market continues to evolve, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and to be aware of the latest trends and developments. As we take a deeper dive into the world of real estate, it's clear that the housing market decline of 2026 will have far-reaching consequences. With home values expected to decline by up to 20%, many homeowners will be faced with the challenge of negative equity. This means that they will owe more on their mortgage than their home is worth, making it difficult to sell or refinance. However, there are steps that homeowners can take to protect themselves, such as building an emergency fund and exploring options for refinancing or modifying their mortgage. The best way to do this is to work with a financial advisor who can provide you with personalized advice and guidance. In comparison to previous market crashes, the 2026 housing market decline is unique in its scope and complexity. With the rise of global economic uncertainty and the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, the market is facing a perfect storm of challenges. However, this also presents opportunities for investors and homebuyers who are willing to take a long-term view and do their research. The best way to navigate this challenging time is to stay informed, to be patient, and to work with reputable and experienced professionals who can provide you with the guidance and advice you need to succeed. So, what does this mean for you? If you're considering buying a home, it's essential to approach the market with caution and to do your research. Look for areas with strong growth potential, and consider working with a reputable real estate agent who can guide you through the process. Additionally, make sure to get pre-approved for a mortgage and to have a clear understanding of your financial situation before making an offer on a home. The best way to do this is to follow a step-by-step plan, starting with getting your finances in order, then researching the market, and finally making an offer on a home. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're making an informed decision and that you're prepared for the challenges and opportunities that the housing market presents. Looking ahead to the future, it's clear that the housing market will continue to evolve and change. With the rise of technology and the impact of global economic uncertainty, the market will face new challenges and opportunities. However, by staying informed, doing your research, and working with reputable professionals, you can navigate this complex landscape and achieve your goals. The best way to do this is to stay up to date on the latest developments and to be prepared to adapt to changing circumstances. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're ahead of the curve and that you're prepared for whatever the future may hold. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive updates and insights into the world of finance and real estate. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. In our next video, we'll be exploring the impact of the housing market decline on the U.S. economy, and what it means for your investments and financial future. By subscribing and following us, you can ensure that you're always informed and ahead of the curve.